cold out here, guys. I wanted to show you. Oh my God, it's freezing. Look at all this ice. Like I said, that snow. Butterflies got ice on it. Oh, it's freezing. How does a dog stand out here in this cold? Look at that. Look at that ice on that tree. Look at all that ice on that bush. Oh my gosh, it's freezing. A bunch of snow and ice. Well, ice and then snow. Oh, anyways, I'm going to have to go in. I'm hurting. Thank you all for stopping by my channel. Please like and subscribe. As always, have a good day or night. Bye-bye.